Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope that all of you are taking care and staying safe. So today's video is based on perfumes, an unforgettable accessory. Perfume was derived from the Latin word perfumus, which means through smoke. Perfumes originated from the Egyptian civilization. So basically they are responsible for bringing perfumes. Let us see what are the places where we can apply perfumes on our body. We can apply perfumes behind the ears. We can apply perfumes on the neck area. We can apply perfumes on the elbows, and then we can apply perfumes on the wrist. Not only this, we can also apply perfume on our knees so that the perfume is evenly distributed throughout the body. Let us see what are the things we should take into consideration for making perfumes last much more longer period of time. Number one is that we can apply perfumes not only on our body but also on our dress. What will happen is that perfume is already present in your body and then you apply it on the dress, so it will bring a much better effect. You can also apply perfume after taking shower. What happens is that in that manner, the body absorbs perfume in a much better way. Not only that, you can also put Vaseline on your wrist and then apply perfume. What will happen is that Vaseline will absorb perfume for a longer period of time. Perfumes can also be put on hairbrush and then you can use that hairbrush to comb your hair. Don't apply perfume directly to the hair, because if you are going to apply it directly, it might affect your hair for some of the people, I would say. Not only that, there is one very easy trick which you can use. You can apply perfume on the cotton balls. When you apply it on the cotton balls and keep it in Ziploc bags or maybe airtight containers, you can use it for much longer period of time, and then if you go outside and you require a touch-up, you can apply those cotton balls on your body. So you will be refreshed by this. So these are some of the ways for which you can apply, and like this the perfume will be much more lasting on your body. Then let us see what are the benefits of applying the perfume. These benefits I have personally noticed. So if you apply perfume, you look more confident. So actually when you are going out somewhere and you apply perfume, you have this feeling that okay, you are looking nice and you've applied a good perfume, so you are looking good. Not only you are confident, but I also feel that you look more attractive because you are already backed by confidence, and then you look much more attractive. I have also experienced that perfumes help to soothe yourself and they also calm you down, because some of them they contain essential oils and that helps you to actually calm down and soothe yourself. Let us review a few of the perfumes which I am using and my friends are using. So number one, we are going to talk about Davidoff, and this is like the all-time perfume. It is very light scented and very nice. It gives a very good feel when you apply this. The second one is this one, Manufactura. This is from Manufactura and I got this from Prague, and this has a very light and botanical smell. So when you put it, you feel so good, so nice, so confident, and you know it gives you actually a very, very good feel. The next one is from Hugo Boss. So this perfume, my friends are also using this and we have very good reviews on this one, because this one, you know, it has a very flowery smell, and it makes you feel, you know, much more attractive when you wear it, and it gives you a lot of confidence, and very nice perfume this one is. Last but not the least, this is Antonio Banderas Her Secret perfume, and this has a very strong smell. So if you want to go out parties, and if you are going out maybe for some event, this one will suit you much more better, because it gives you that feel of being strong and looking good. So I hope, friends, that you must have liked this video. If you have liked the video, please give a thumbs up. In case you have any suggestions for me, please mention it in the comments. I would be happy to take them. I'm there present on Instagram also with Gargi_express name, and I'm also present on YouTube, so you can subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Gargi_express. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.